Scripture has long been a source of inspiration and guidance for those seeking spiritual wisdom and connection. Whether you are a devout follower of a specific religion or someone simply interested in exploring the teachings of various faiths, uncovering meaningful messages in our Scripture of the day can provide valuable insights into life, love, and the universe. Each day, a new scripture from a sacred text is presented to us, offering a unique opportunity to reflect on its teachings and apply them to our own lives. These messages can be uplifting, challenging, and thought-provoking, encouraging us to delve deeper into our beliefs and values. By taking the time to meditate on the scripture of the day, we can gain a greater understanding of ourselves and the world around us. One of the key benefits of uncovering meaningful messages in Scripture is the opportunity to find comfort and solace in times of difficulty. The wisdom contained in these sacred texts has been passed down through generations, offering timeless guidance on how to navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. By turning to Scripture for support, we can find hope and inspiration to face whatever obstacles come our way. Furthermore, Scripture can also serve as a source of motivation and encouragement as we strive to live according to our highest values. By studying the teachings of our chosen faith, we can gain clarity on what is truly important to us and align our actions with our beliefs. The scripture of the day can remind us of the power of kindness, compassion, and forgiveness, inspiring us to live more authentically and intentionally. In addition to providing personal guidance, Scripture can also help us connect with others and build stronger communities. By sharing the teachings of our faith with those around us, we can foster unity, understanding, and mutual respect. The scripture of the day can serve as a starting point for meaningful conversations and discussions, allowing us to deepen our relationships with others and cultivate a sense of belonging. Ultimately, uncovering meaningful messages in our scripture of the day is a powerful way to nurture our spiritual growth and deepen our connection to the divine. Through reflection, meditation, and study, we can gain valuable insights into our own beliefs and values, as well as the teachings of our chosen faith. By incorporating these messages into our daily lives, we can experience greater peace, purpose, and fulfillment as we navigate the ups and downs of life.